Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue we're going to go over how you can put your car into neutral in case you've lost the key and you need to get it towed or need to move it around by pushing it. So to start with, right here on the shifting knob there is a little cover here and it actually says shift lock. So you just take a screwdriver and you pop that cover off. And there is a hole here, and if you look down in there, there's a little white tab, and what you're going to just want to push that down with a screwdriver, and then you can move the car into neutral to be able to move it to where you need to do. And then put it back into park, but in neutral, and then you can just put it in park and then it locks back in when you remove the screwdriver. If you're able to get the vehicle moved to where you need to and get it on the tow truck, but that's how you can manually put your car into neutral. Say you don't have the key and you're not able to get it to unlock. Use the manual shift lock release on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.